Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, chalk rear wheels, and disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting work to avoid electrical faults. Remove wheel center caps, loosen lug bolts with a 19mm socket, then raise the vehicle and support it on stands under the specified jacking points. Always wear eye protection and gloves. Inspect the parking brake and ABS sensor wiring before removing the wheel. Have a drip pan and clean rags ready to catch fluid and brake dust during the job. Unbolt the caliper mounting bolts and hang the caliper using wire to avoid stressing the brake hose while you work. Remove the brake pads and unfasten the caliper guide pins with a 6mm hex, cleaning them with brake cleaner and inspecting for corrosion. If the rotor is retained by a small set screw, remove it with a 12mm driver or impact driver. If the rotor is seized, apply penetrating oil and tap gently with a rubber mallet to free it. Inspect hub surface and clean before new rotor fitment. Install new pads, compress the piston carefully with a C-clamp or piston tool, and replace the anti-rattle clips and shims to prevent noise. Refit the caliper and torque the caliper mounting bolts to the factory value specified in your manual, then install the wheel and torque the lug bolts to 130 Nm. Use DOT 4-brake fluid and about 250 ml to flush one caliper during bleeding, following a 2-person or vacuum bleed procedure until no air appears. Finally, lower the car, check fluid level, and perform a low-speed road test to confirm firm pedal feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.